Hey guys, thank you for 100,000 subscribers, and to celebrate, we are offering you a coupon at the end of the video. Thank you.
Let's go.
Okay, so let's get straight to it. This area is actually the bikini line. It's the groin where the pubic area and the thigh join. So if you can notice on your own self, that area is super, super hard to get a good grip in, and it's really, really hard to apply pressure in because it divots in because it is a joint and a break in the human body. So a way to apply pressure is I take my fingers and I push them under an area like that that's fatty. Same thing like how I do with a cheek. I don't go directly down into it because it's just going to push it down. And that's for me learning as far as popping pimples on the face. You have to go under instead of directly at it because you can pop something and it'll go back inside. So I just apply the same technique to doing extractions on larger body areas. And now I am trying to get out the sac, which is really hard. Same thing. It's in a very fatty area, which has no absolute structure to it. So I'm doing as best as I can. I did tell her that I think that she needs to go to the dermatologist to get the sac extracted because I'm trying to remove as much of it as I can. It's going to fill back up. She'll be back. I gave her a purified bar to keep it all nice and neat. The rest of the area is free of ingrown. She had a couple on her lips. I actually got those out as well. I can't show those because clearly that's considered nudity on YouTube. So you'll see some of the extractions at the end to where I got some of the ones on the lip out as well. And same thing, just make sure that you guys really exfoliate, especially in crevice areas under the breast, under the underarms. Those areas are really susceptible to bacteria, dirt, product trapping into the pores, and that's how you get issues like this because the crease is dark. It is sometimes moist depending on if you have extra skin right there, and that will give you an issue. But thank you guys so much for getting us to 100,000 subscribers. We look forward to the next 100,000, and we look forward to shooting more content and more videos for you guys. And here is the coupon code for you to enjoy 20% off. And I'm actually going to leave it out for all products on the store.